Hi everyone, my name is Paul Holder from Infinity Learning. On Monday the 3rd until Friday the 7th of September, I'll be running another Train to Work in the online gaming industry 5-day training course. Now for those of you who haven't heard about this course is specifically designed for people who want to work within the online gaming industry, but unfortunately don't have any experience. Now I wrote this course with that ethos in mind, and the idea being that before anyone who wants to work for an online gaming company within, let's say, the capacity of customer services applies for that position, they really should be coming on this course. Why should they be coming on this course? Quite simply, this course will tell them absolutely everything they need to know about the industry, about what is expected of them in their roles in the capacity of a customer service representative. It'll also break down the hidden world of online casino and poker. We will look at deposit methods, the various different types of deposit methods. We will look at the various different departments within an online gaming company, what their roles and functions are, and how they interact with customer services. I will give you the knowledge that you need to be able to speak to any customer and answer any query on games such as Texas Hold'em, casino games such as European Roulette, Blackjack, Pai Gow Poker, Caribbean Poker, Keno, classical slots and video slots. We'll look at customer services, we'll look at responsible gaming, we'll look at anti-money laundering. But above all else, we are going to have fun. This course has been designed specifically for you to impart my years of knowledge and experience within the online gaming industry and to prepare you to embark on that fantastic journey within the online gaming industry. Again, this course will be the last course I'm running this year. So Monday the 3rd of September until Friday the 7th of September at the Bleak House Training Institute. If you are interested, please send me an email. My email address is paul@infinity-learning.com. That's paul@infinity-learning.com. I look forward to seeing you on Monday the 3rd until Friday the 7th of September at the Bleak House Training Institute.